Let us look at these types of social interactions. Cooperation. Cooperation means working together as individuals or working together in groups or as a team. Usually the teachers, they like to make their students work in groups and teams. But before they do that, they need to make it clear to the students that what are the rules of working in a group or a team. The team spirit or the group spirit must be inculcated in the students. The students must be aware of the rules of working in a group. Cooperation has to be exhibited, not in the sake of honor, but in the sake of need of somebody in the group. So, before they start working in the group, they need to understand what are the rights of the other members in the team or the group. This is how they are going to learn in their life that when they are together, they need to work as a group and also respect the rights of other people in the group and the team. They cannot dominate the group. Sometimes it is noticed that when the students are doing group work, they try to dominate the other members in the group. The teachers must monitor this sort of an action because this would be leading to some sort of bullying in the group. In order to avoid that, the teachers need to be very sharp in monitoring that nobody in the group is trying to take over the right of other members of the group to do something, to speak or express their opinion. Another sense of interaction is in the form of competition. There is nothing wrong with having a healthy competition in a class or a group or a team. To compete, such as in sports, knowledge, profession, or any other field of life, there is a lot to do of the responsibility of the teachers. They must introduce, before they start this sort of an activity, a rule session where they tell the participants that what do competition mean as a word, what has its implications, what does it mean to the people who are watching that competition. The people who are watching the competition definitely look at the things such as cooperation, assimilation, interaction, and positiveness in the team. Therefore, we must have noticed most of the times when we watch matches and we see our players as a team, how beautiful it seems on the TV screen when we see that there is a teamwork going on. At the same time, if we watch that there is no teamwork, it upsets us. So that means the team is upsetting so many people in the crowd who are there to watch them. So that gives a negative feeling to the people who are watching them as an audience. So you can imagine how distrustful it becomes for the young people when they see that there is no teamwork and no group work happening. Therefore, it is very important to display a high level of teamwork, cooperation, and group work, and the spirit should be very high in order to take care of each other's rights. Even in a competition, it is not a competition due to an opposition. It is a competition because it is just a display of some skills which so many people have, and it is being tried to look at the one which is the best, or to just test your own skills. There is a competition being held. Sometimes there are competitions of the pets. So that does not mean that it is an opposition, that you are looking for pets who for the other party has been taking care a lot of their pets, and maybe you want to know whether the other pets are being looked after in a better manner than what I am doing. So basically, a competition is also there to test your own skills and abilities, just because not that it is an opposition or it is an activity which has to have some sort of enmity in it.